You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is p greater than -15. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the p. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3 over -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is p greater than -15.